Hey guys, Song here. Today let's talk about the Employer Tax Obligation 2018. February and March is here and I realize a lot of employers are not aware of their tax obligation as an employer. This is very, very important as the penalty can go up to 20,000. The first employer obligation is to send your EA form to all your employees, regardless they are working with you still or they have resigned. You still need to send them a EA form. Within the EA form, they will inform how much they have earned throughout the year, how much gross income they have earned, how much bonus they have earned, how much overtime they've earned, and any exempt tax allowances, any allowances, how much is the SOCSO, how much is the EPF, how much is the PCB. All these are disclosed under Form EA. The second employer obligation is to submit the Form E. Now, within the Form E itself, they will disclose how many employees left during the year, how many has resigned during the year, how many have resigned and leave Malaysia where the clearance has been done, how many new employees there. So these are things that you need to disclose in Form E itself. And the due date is 31st March 2019 for year of assessment 2018. And also just note to you, there is an e-filing grace period going on, so you can extend for another month, which if you use e-filing, you can submit by 30th April. Employer obligation number 3 is to submit your CP8D. CP8D is actually a form within Form E itself. So Form E and CP8D we submit together. Look at CP8D. So what are the information that is required in this form? The page 1, they want your name of employees, the income tax number, identification number or passport, and what is the category of the employee, whether any tax borne by the employer, how many child relief they are claiming, how many children they have, and what is the total gross remuneration. If you look at page 2, they want you to disclose the benefit in kinds. What are the value of living accommodation enjoyed by the employee, whether there's any e-source benefit, whether there's any tax exempt allowances, whether there's any TP1 claim. So what is the contribution to KWSP, Zakat, PCB, and any tax installment paid under CP38? And of course, if you're using SQL Payroll, there is always a way out. So let's jump to the PC. I will teach you how. If you are using SQL Payroll, then the work is basically so much simpler. Just go to your past payroll, go to your December year end, and then you will see the summary here. What you do, you can print the income tax EA form here, click apply, just click, let's say 2018 version, and then all the EA forms are here. So you just generate, everything is there. So you don't have to do it manually one by one. How about CP8D? Just go to payroll, then you go to government reports, and you go to CP8D. Choose your year 2018 and press apply, and then when you press the preview button, it will show you the form. Once you generate the CP8D, you realize everything is here. It's already generated. You can choose to take this form and fill up the e-filing yourself, or you can export it later on. Later we will show you how to export. And at the bottom page, it also includes the number of employees as at year end, how many employees has joined the workforce during the year, left Malaysia or left the workforce during the year. Everything is here. So basically take this information, put it into your Form E. You are done. Go back to this page in CP8D. On the right hand side, you look at this blue button, just click submission and you can save it to anywhere you like. Once you save, and later we will upload this file into the e-filing portal. The export function is so convenient. Basically, you can export the whole CP8D and then upload into the e-filing itself. So you don't have to key everything that you see here in this page. None of them you need to key because everything is automatically generated if you use export function. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends who has this problem as well. I am Song and I'll see you in the next video.